Hi everyone. So in this video, we are going to check how we can log our activity, our visit in Salesforce. Okay. So for an example, you are visiting any account. Say for an example, I'm visiting one account called 007 Supermart. For an example. Okay, so whenever you are visiting this, once you reach there, you need to click this button called check-in. You can do it from your mobile also. In mobile also, you will get the check-in button. So once you click the check-in, this kind of form will open. Select what is the purpose, why you are coming here, account review, follow up, for what purpose, negotiation, proposal submission, what. So I'm saying it is just a sales follow up. Okay. And what is your mode of conveyance? Say I'm coming by bike, and if you have any contact person in this particular account, that contact person list will come. You can select. In this particular account there is no contact listed, so no contacts are coming here. If any brand is listed under this particular 007 supermart, that brand list will also come here. Select the brand and then you need to just do check-in. So whenever you do check-in, one visit record will get created here. So if you go here, you can see one visit record has been created. Now say for an example, you were there, you had a nice meeting, you discuss whatever you need to discuss, and after that you need to check out, right? So it is showing your location here. It is showing almost correct location. If you do it from mobile, it will show you even better, clarity, or better accuracy, more accurate result you will get here. Okay, so after your meeting, here you can see you are able to see what is the check-in date and time, what is the check-in location and all this stuff. And after that, when you need to check out, leave that particular place, you can click on checkout button. So click on checkout. While when you are clicking checkout, uh, it is asking you to write the meeting summary. So here you can write like, meeting was good, need to meet again next week for order. For an example, whatever discussion happened, you can give a meeting summary over here and click checkout. So when you do checkout, here you see visit duration also will be calculated automatically, how many minutes or hours you were here, right? And your checkout location will also be visible here. Okay, so I think I need to just reload this page, and your checkout location, because I checked in and checked out from the same location, it is showing the same location here. Now whatever I have done from my laptop, same thing you can do it from your mobile app also. I'll create a separate video how to do that in mobile app. This is point number one. Point number two, for an example, you are not visiting this particular client, you are at your office, at your home, wherever you are, and you called them. Whomsoever is the contact person, you called him. After call, you need to update the call details here. See, log a call. What does that mean? You have already called, now you need to log it. So click log a call and update here. Keep called Mr. X, he was busy, call again at 3 p.m. today. For an example, this kind of thing, or not 3 p.m., say 1 p.m. today. Okay, 1 p.m. today. And if you want to write it here, very good. If you say no, I don't, I want to write the complete details below in the comment section, that is also a good idea. And here you can just say call, so that is also, you can do it. Due date, it is taking automatically. Status of the call is completed, because already you have done that, right? So you can save it. So whenever you made a call, you can, if you want to see the details, click on this particular arrow, you will be able to see whatever is the details of the call. Now You need to call him after some time, say 1 hour, 1 day, 1 week, 1 month, 1 year. You can create a follow-up task here. So how, what you need to write? Example, call at 1 p.m. today. Very good. Here it is not started because you need to call him. You have not done it yet. You want to set the priority as high, normal, low. You can set it up. Due date today means today. Okay. Do you want a reminder? If yes, set up the reminder here. So right now I will set up the reminder at 12:40 9. Okay, because right now it is 12:47, 12:48. Let me keep it at 12:48 and let me save this. Okay, so what is going to happen at 12:48? I will get, like, you, whosoever is the user will get notification that you need to call this particular person. Okay, or you need to call this particular account, right? So here you will get the bell notification, here you will get a pop-up notification and all this stuff, right? Now whatever I'm doing under account, same thing you can do under contact also. Let me go to another contact. Okay, let me go to one contact here. So for an example, this is a contact, same thing. If you want to log a call, plan a call for a particular person, you should do it under contact. Okay, you want to do this activity for a particular inquiry or particular opportunity, you need to go to open one opportunity and do it. Anyway, we will discuss that later. Now what you can see here, I got a pop-up notification, I got a bell notification. Click on bell notification, it is saying call at 1 p.m. today. Okay, open that. Which company? Okay, it is 007 Supermart I need to call, right? So you can go here. Now example, you have called that person, for an example. Okay, if you have called that person, what you should do, you should edit this particular task, write it in the comment. What you should write, ki ask me to come to his office tomorrow at 1 p.m. Example, that was the discussion. What is the status here? Status is completed because you have already done that. Now you can save it. So look at this. If I refresh it here, now it is coming here. Whatever is below in this section, that is the history. So you can see what discussion has happened. Now again you need to create a follow-up task that you need to go and meet him tomorrow. So what you will do, again you will create a new task, meeting at 1 p.m. Okay, what is the status? Not started, priority, keep it high. Due date, give it tomorrow, you know and reminder, example, 1 o'clock is the meeting. You want to set up the reminder 1 hour before. So around 12 o'clock you want to set up the reminder, so 12 p.m. and save it. So what you can see here, there is a task for tomorrow. It is a high priority task and there is a reminder also. So this is how you can update all your visit, all your follow-up calls and everything, right? If you do it, all your activity report will be generated automatically. Your manager, your management, everybody will get to know what you are doing. Also, after some point of time, whenever you will come here, you want to know what you have done in this particular account. You can just open this account and you will be able to see everything that you have done for this particular account, right? Now let's say, take one more example. This particular account was handled by some other executive in past. He left the organization and you got this particular account. So if you go through all the history, you will get to know the previous executive, what action he has taken, what he has done, what he's supposed to do next, who are the contact person. Everything will be very, very clear to you, and you will be able to start working on that particular account, right? So yeah, that's all guys. So please start using it as quickly as possible. If you need any support, please let me know. Thank you.